Hello and welcome to YouTube channel Health Q, the place where my mission is to motivate you to look at the brighter side of the health. In today's video, let's talk about bow legs. Bow leg is also one kind of deformity which is commonly seen among many people, due to which they face difficulty not only in walking but doing a lot of day-to-day activities. Bow legs or else genu valgus is a problem which is a deformity due to multiple causes. And if you want to manage this problem, it's very important to understand or else identify the cause behind it. Hence, in today's video, I will help you understand what is genu valgum or else bow leg. Why does it happen? What are the causes behind it? And what kind of exercises can be done which will help you to reduce or else to an extent prevent the worsening of bow leg? So, if you are interested in such topic, make sure to watch this video till the end and also make sure to subscribe to this channel in order to view more such health awareness videos. So, without wasting any due time, let's begin. friends, this was all about bow legs and its exercises. I hope you found this video helpful. If yes, make sure to hit the like button, share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to HealthQ channel. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.